Best deals. 1. Tadka pan. The 10 cm size and 250 ml capacity ensure precise spice tempering, enhancing the flavor of your dishes effortlessly. The stay-cool wooden handle provides a secure grip, preventing burns and allowing for safe and comfortable cooking. The triply stainless steel construction ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. Ideal for spice tempering, boiling milk, and making sauces. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Sink drain. Made from high-quality, food-grade silicone that's safe, non-toxic, and eco-friendly. Prevents buildup of grease and moisture, keeping your kitchen clean and dry. Stays firmly in place and withstands heat from stoves or hot water. Adapts easily to most sinks, countertops, and stove edges for secure coverage. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Electric chopper. Equipped with adjustable 3-speed control, this chopper adapts perfectly to different ingredients. Freely switch between coarse chop and fine mince to achieve ideal, consistent texture for all your culinary needs. Food-grade glass bowls are odor-free, non-staining and easy to clean. The transparent body lets you clearly monitor the chopping progress. The built-in auto shut-off function activates once the lid is opened, ensuring safe, worry-free operation for the whole family. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Oil dispenser. The specially designed Olkranen spout delivers smooth, accurate pouring with no drips, helping keep your countertops spotless and reducing waste. The specially designed Olkranen spout delivers smooth, accurate pouring with no drips, helping keep your countertops spotless and reducing waste. The glass is designed to protect contents from light, preserving the quality and freshness of oils and seasonings for longer storage times. Featuring a wider diameter, this oil pot allows for quick and mess-free refilling. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Ice cube tray. Makes 56 square ice cubes at once, 28 per layer, ideal for family use, parties, and daily drinks. Smart press to release mechanism drops ice cubes effortlessly without twisting, bending, or spilling. Airtight cover prevents dust, odors, and freezer smell from entering, keeping your ice clean and fresh. Comes with a spacious bin to store multiple batches of ice cubes, perfect for efficient freezer organization. Made from durable PET, PP, and ABS materials for safe, long-term use. Convenient design allows you to fill, release, and store ice with minimal effort. Compact layered structure fits easily in most freezers without taking up extra space. The dual-layer ice cube tray presents an ingenious solution for maximizing ice production and storage. This innovative design comprises 2 layers. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Organizer. Durable, waterproof material protects your items from moisture and dust, ensuring long-lasting use. Built-in steel frame provides stability, keeps the box in shape, and allows for easy stacking without collapsing. Is perfect for clothes, bedding, quilts, towels, toys, and more, helping you maximize storage space. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Containers. Feature a secure airtight seal that keeps your food fresh for longer periods, preserving flavor and texture. Each container has a capacity of 1 liter, providing ample space for storing a variety of food items such as grains, cereals, snacks, leftovers, and more. The containers are designed for excellent space saving in the refrigerator. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Peeler. Turn veggies into ribbons in seconds with this peeler for salad, giving you effortless meal prep as a cucumber peeler like noodles and handy noodle peeler that helps create light, colorful dishes even on busy weeknights, while the ergonomic vegetable peeler for kitchen design keeps hands comfy so every carrot peeler pass feels fast, safe, and controlled. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Cups. Free from harmful chemicals like BPA, formaldehyde, and melamine, and no toxic chemicals used in manufacturing. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cleaning cloth. Pre-cut perforated sheets pull off easily and fit standard paper towel holders for instant access during spills and everyday tasks. Ultra-dense microfiber quickly soaks up liquids and holds several times its weight for faster, more efficient cleanups. Soft, non-abrasive fibers lift dirt and debris without scratching or leaving swirl marks on glass. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Strainer. Ideal for 2 to 4 servings. Perfect for boiling pasta, cooking rice, steaming noodles, or making soups. Fits standard Indian gas burners and induction cooktops. Built-in locking strainer lid lets you drain pasta, rice, and noodles directly from the pot. No colander needed. Lock, tilt, and drain safely without scalding steam. Sandwich Tripoli base ensures even heat on both induction and gas stoves. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Flat mop. Redefines squeezing with a revolutionary push and pull design. Picture this, your mop effortlessly squeezes itself, making excess water a thing of the past. Experience the joy of hands-free squeezing, turning your cleaning routine into a delightful dance rather than a chore. This is a versatile cleaning tool that combines the advantages of a water spray, scuzzing and a flat mop. Mop adapts to every surface, marble, tiles, glass, wood, or concrete. The slim design helps to use mop into tight spaces. With best-in-class clearance of 5 cm, it can go under sofa, near all corners and other tight spaces, giving best satisfaction of thorough and versatile cleaning. The toothbrush-style scraper helps to clear hairs, dirt, and small dust particles with precision. A 360-degree rotation capability, turning cleaning into an adventure. Glide effortlessly under furniture, spin to reach vertical surfaces, cleaning becomes a joyous task. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Scissors. The handle is made of aluminum alloy, and the cutting material is stainless steel. The blade is sharp and durable, the smooth edge makes the handle more comfortable and easy to use. The blades have designed grooves to prevent slip when cutting food, making it easier to cut food. Blade edge thicker, excellent corrosion resistance, heat resistance, the high-quality stainless steel won't get rusty. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Warmer. Provides a safer and more efficient heating experience with its top heating system. In just 1 hour, heat up to 6 pieces of clothing quickly and evenly. Say goodbye to damp clothes, even during the rainy season. Operating at a soft 60 degrees breeze, this clothes warmer ensures your delicate clothes, whether it's underwear, shirts, or sweaters, are treated with care. Made with premium Oxford fabric, it ensures no odors or damage to your garments, while providing a safer, more user-friendly heating experience. Perfect for small apartments or those on the go, this lightweight, collapsible clothes warmer is ideal for limited spaces, travel, or camping. With its easy portability, it fits seamlessly into a busy lifestyle, offering efficient warmth wherever you are. Enjoy peace and quiet with the Costamata Clothes Warmer. Its near-silent operation and built-in timer let you customize heating times to fit your needs, providing a stress-free heating process. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Kettle. Made with a high-quality SUS 304 stainless steel kettle body for durability, everyday reliability and a clean modern look. Features auto, switch off, overheat protection. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Spoons for spice jars. Perfect for use with spice jars, sugar, tea, coffee, honey, mustard, jam, pickle, ice cream, and milk powder. Ideal for all your condiments and seasoning needs. Simply rinse with warm water and air dry for a long-lasting use. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Coffee grinder. Compact and lightweight construction makes it suitable for travel, camping, office, or home use. Just charge it and take it with you anywhere. Efficiently grinds beans evenly while maintaining low noise, making it suitable for early morning brewing without disturbing others, suitable for families and daily coffee lovers who enjoy fresh ground coffee anytime. Made with high-quality ABS and stainless steel housing. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Hooks. Perfect for securely hanging photo frames without drilling. These wall decor items ensure a clean and organized wall decor in your living room or bedroom. Designed for heavy-duty performance, these adhesive wall hooks are reliable for hanging clothes, wall shelves, and even curtain rods without drilling. Easy to install adhesive hooks that stick firmly on any smooth surface. No need for screws or nails, offering a damage-free wall hanging solution. Use these strong adhesive photo hanging hook for wall to hang your favorite photo frames. Perfect for home decoration without any hassle of drilling or nails. Ideal for photo frames, mirrors, and wall-mounted organizers. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Containers. Made with high borosilicate glass, a protective silicone sleeve, and BPA-free lids, these containers are durable, toxin-free, and 100% food safe. The set includes 370 ml, 600 ml, and 1000 ml containers, ideal for lunch, snacks, office meals, and portion-controlled storage. Each container has an airtight, leak-proof lid that keeps food fresh, prevents spills, and makes them easy to carry for office, school, or picnics. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Organizer. Crafted from eco-friendly bamboo, the span holder is not only sturdy and long-lasting but also adds a natural, stylish touch to your kitchen. The compact design of our rack allows you to efficiently store multiple kitchen essentials, from tawa to pot lids, while maximizing your kitchen space. Customize your storage space with adjustable dividers to store. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Dustbin. Expands when in use and collapses flat when not needed, saving valuable space in your kitchen, car, camping gear, or storage area. Made from premium quality flexible plastic and reinforced structure, this bin is lightweight yet strong enough for daily waste, garden debris, and outdoor use. Designed with a wide, stable bottom that prevents tipping and slipping, even on smooth floors, car mats, or outdoor surfaces. Perfect as a kitchen trash bin, car dustbin, camping garbage bin, gardening waste container, laundry bin, storage basket, or cleaning caddy. Smooth inner surface allows quick rinsing and wiping. Comes with sturdy side handles for effortless lifting and carrying. Keep your car neat during daily drives or long road trips. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Dosa Tawa. Featuring HexiShield reinforced technology with steel peaks and non-stick valleys, the scratch-resistant, metal spoon-friendly surface ensures safe, low-oil cooking with enhanced strength and durability. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Tissue box. Can hold most standard-sized tissues as well as stacks of individual facial napkins or tissues. The large opening makes it easy and smooth to take out the tissues. Unique retro design style makes it ideal for use in living room, bedrooms, dining tables. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Gloves. Dense brush can help to create more foam, also can help to increase friction force, take it to clean anywhere with ease, and with soft brush, you don't need to worry damaging something you wash. Fit most people. Aranco silicone gloves adapt ergonomics design. There are non-slip stripes in the gloves. Different people with different sizes can use it. Super easy to clean the brush, just rinse with water. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Drying rack. The perfect kitchen companion simplifies organization and storage, keeping your countertop tidy and your tasks efficient. It's an essential addition to any modern kitchen. This two-layer rack comes with the dish rack, providing additional space to hold cooking spatulas, spoons, forks, knives, glasses, and other crockery items. The rack is designed with perforations at the bottom to effectively drain excess water from your utensils, ensuring they dry quickly and efficiently. This extremely durable and space-saving item is portable and easy to set up. The basket comes with detachable partitions, allowing you to organize your kitchen essentials. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Whisk. As a flat whisk, Twist is ideal for mixing sauces in low pans or for making gravy in roasting trays. Its silicone-coated steel wires are suitable for non-stick cookware and are ideal for scraping and combining ingredients together, preventing them from burning on the bottom of a pan. With a simple turn of the handle, Twist also becomes a highly effective balloon whisk, allowing egg whites to be whipped into ideal peaks. Twist can be easily dismantled for cleaning and, after use, can be closed flat for convenient storage in a drawer. Its silicone wires are heat resistant up to 270 degrees Celsius, 520 degrees Fahrenheit. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Mortar and pestle. Made from durable, high-quality stone for long-lasting use in a rustic aesthetic, perfect for grinding spices, making pesto, or preparing authentic pastes. Simple to wash and maintain. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Filter coffee maker. Made from high-quality food-grade stainless steel, this filter coffee maker is rust-proof, durable, and easy to clean. It ensures long-lasting performance while maintaining the authentic flavor of freshly brewed coffee. The 400 ml large-size design prepares 4 to 5 cups of strong coffee decoction, perfect for families, offices, or small gatherings. Enjoy your morning brew with consistency and convenience every time. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Masher. Can be used to easily mash boiled potatoes and other vegetables for pav bhaji, stuffed paratha, masala dosa and more. With concealed spring inside, automatic rebound is more effective. Fiber drawing design of handle avoids slipping when used. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Bowl. Made from high quality, BPA-free silicone, designed for easy release, quick cleanup, and high durability. Includes air fryer paper sheets, air fryer accessories items, air fryer silicone baking tray, silicone idli liners, and silicone air fryer tray for all your cooking needs. Enjoy mess-free cooking with non-stick, heat-resistant silicone liners that can handle temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius, perfect for air frying, using your Instant Pot air fryer, silicone accessories, air fryer cover, and kitchen tray for added convenience. Use the silicone mold for air fryer to bake cakes, cookies, and bread, or cook meals like chicken, veggies, and fries. These silicone liners for air fryer help prevent food from sticking, making it easy to remove items without scraping or damaging your air fryer basket. All accessories are dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your favorite meals. Product link is given in the 30th link.